Is ceramic coating a motorhome or campervan actually worth it? Before this trip, we had our van professionally ceramic coated. It wasn't cheap, but the promise was simple. Less dirt, easier cleaning, faster washes on the road.
In this video, we put it to a real-world test at a jet wash in several places across Scandinavia and share our honest experience after travelling.
Does ceramic coating really make cleaning a campervan easier? Does it stay cleaner for longer?
And most importantly, would we do it again, considering the costs?
If you're considering ceramic coating for a motorhome, campervan or van conversion, this video will help you decide if it's actually worth the money for your type of travel.
Let us know your experience in the comments. Enjoy.
We travelled along some quite nice roads, and it was only when we stopped for some shopping that we noticed the horrendous state of the van from the roads that we'd been on.
Yeah, we went along some really dirty roads. Really dirty. And yeah, it needed washing. Check this out. But before you do, ceramic coating, this at last proved its worth. Prior to coming away, we had the van ceramic coated.
Yes, we did.
Not a cheap experience, but I thought it might be really useful when we're away because we could clean it really quickly and really simply, and it would help stay clean. So we've just come to a jet wash, which is a hard thing to find in Norway for a van our size. And I've just about managed to squeeze in.
Yes.
We'll show you in a minute. And we'll see now how good, if at all, really, because I'm honest, remember, ceramic coating actually is. I'm thinking just a quick jet wash, bit of a brush in the hard areas, and all should be fine. Let's go and have a look. And washed. Was it worth it? Did it clean up alright?
Well, not for me to say how your cleaning skills are.
Did I moan much?
Do you moan?
Yeah.
About what?
About cleaning it?
Push did.
I still moaned about cleaning it, but overall, ceramic coating, it definitely works. It was much easier to clean. It took ages to get dirty, to be fair, and it was much easier to clean. Yes, it was costly, but I think probably...
After 4 months and 7,000 miles, does our motorhome still look like this?
And overall, was it worth the £1,100, including VAT, to keep our motorhome in tip-top condition? Granted, it's not cheap, but I think today our motorhome looks as clean as it did the day it came out of a ceramic coating place. Therefore, I have to say, probably worth every penny, because I'm the one that does the cleaning and the driving.
And I do the cooking and the cleaning and the navigating and the washing.